welcome back to my channel. It's me, Omomiarele. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer. So after doing that, I'm going to go straight into my makeup. For my primer today, I'll be using the Milk Hydro Primer. I'm really obsessed with this primer because it really hydrates my skin. It's actually a really nice primer, so I would recommend it. After that, I'm going to go straight into my foundation. For my foundation today, I'll be using the ZKL Pro Matte High Definition Foundation. I've used this foundation before, but the one I used was not in a tube. It was in like a bottle container, and I like this one better because it has a pump. That one I was using before, it didn't have a pump, so I was always having to put something inside to take it, which was really not the best. But I like this foundation. It's a Nigerian brand, so foundation is actually really nice. I'm going to show you. Most of the products I'm going to be using today are mostly from Nigerian brands because I just unlocked this new level of Nigerian brands, and I am going to make sure I keep using them, and they are doing really good stuff. So I'm just going to keep using the products that I got. I would say this foundation is actually really good. I'm going to show you how good it is when I blend it out, but before that I have to wet my beauty sponge. I'll be back. So this is my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Chestnut. So guys, this is the two foundation on my face. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Chestnut, and then this is the ZKL foundation in Sexy Almond. This is the Maybelline. And then this is ZKL. I can almost not tell the difference between the two of them, just that the Maybelline is a little bit brighter. What is it? Yeah, the Maybelline, I swear I can't tell the difference. The Maybelline side, and then this is the ZKL side. The ZKL side has a little bit of shine to it, so the Maybelline just fits like my face, if you understand what I mean. But besides that, they're actually really good foundations, and I just wanted to show you why I like the ZKL foundation. So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go into my concealer. For concealer, I usually just go into my MAC concealer. My MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix Concealer. Go back into the beauty blender. If I didn't mention it, the beauty blender is from Nuban Beauty, also a Nigerian brand. After blending it out, I go into my Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in 42.5. The MAC concealer I used was in NC45. And just repeat the same thing I did. I like when my under eye is bright. This concealer is maybe 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I just love when my under eye is really bright, but I'm going to blend it out so well so it won't look ridiculous. I don't know why, I just love contouring after highlighting my face. So I'm going to go into the Cheek Glaze by TM Essentials. You can tell that I have used this so much. I am literally obsessed. To contour my nose. I love that a little actually goes a very long way. So after that, I'm just going to go back into my beauty blender and kind of blend the edge into each other. So there are no harsh lines. Just go into the product in the brush to just contour my jaw to give it definition. Can you see that? Then I contour my sides of my forehead with the remaining product because I don't really want it to be too defined, just a little bit. Then just use the beauty blender still with the remaining product inside to just blend out the contour. Can you see that everything blends nicely? So I'm going to go into my setting spray. I'm using the Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray to just because we want it to look like skin. Let's go back into the beauty blender and just touch up the under eye, because now I want to set the concealer under my eye. To set my face, I'll be using the Laura Mercier setting powder in medium deep. Now that I've set my face, I'll be going into my eyes. So I'm doing something different. Instead of going into my brows, I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. So my brows will be after my eyeshadow, because I want to do a very long wing, and if I do my eyeshadow first, it's kind of restrict the movement. So I need to do my eyes first, then I do my brows. I'm going to be going into the Nuban Beauty setting powder. So let's go into the eyes. To start my eyes, I have to prime my lids. To do that, I'll be using the P. Louise base in Rumors 04. Go into an eyeshadow brush and just blend it out. So I forgot to record when I started this. I'm just applying the blue shadow to my lids. So that's the first eye. Mellow Cosmetics palette, the contour in the palette. Then I'll be going into the blush. Next, I would love to highlight. I'll be using the Mother Africa highlighter. Then I'm going into my Holy Grail of mascara, the Mother Africa mascara. I'm obsessed with this mascara. Now for my lips. So guys, this is the final look. If you want me to show you how I achieved this bandana, please leave it in the comment section, so I'll do a tutorial of how I tied my bandana. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when I have new videos. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. While you're still here, I have some other videos you can always check out, so please do check them out, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.